Okay, thank you, Kamran. Hello, everyone. It's such a pleasure for me to be here. So you will excuse me because my English is not so good, but I will make this presentation in English. When they asked me to talk about the role of the young people in fighting neglected tropical disease, I've asked myself too much question, and I think that you ask also yourself a lot of questions. But defining the role of youth in fighting neglected tropical disease means to ask yourself individually some question like, why do I have to be involved in ending entities? How am I going to engage myself in ending entities when my action have an impact on people's lives? So the sixth aspiration of the Africa We Want agenda is to build an Africa whose development is people-driven, relying on the potential of African people, especially its women and youth, and caring for children. All the citizens of Africa will be actively involved in the decision making in all aspects. So, as you know, Africa has the youngest population in the world, with more than 4,000 million young people aged between 15 to 35 years. And this number represents the power of the Africa, the power of our continent. This demographic represents a substantial benefit than because we have the biggest group of our continent, which making us an influential part of any population. Young people are highly connected to peers, and we can exchange with other people about entities easily because we are connected and we can share easily the information. So for the second question, I've asked myself, how am I going to engage myself in ending entities? And I also want you to ask yourself individually, how are you going to engage yourself in ending entities? I always told people that we have to start with what you have in your hands. You don't have to get an NGO to make an action. You can use your knowledge. You can use social media. You can engage. If you have an NGO, you can engage your NGO in this work, or you can make advocacy, or you can just bring your energy to end this disease. And we have to think and rethink about the ways which can contribute to reach this goal. So for the last question, I've also asked myself, will my actions have an impact on people's lives? I've had this question because sometimes we don't trust in ourselves. We don't trust in the capacity we have to change the world with just a small action. And I really love when the AU Bineta Diop say in some meetings, I believe in you, I believe in young people, I believe in the capacity you have to change your world. And I want to tell you that when you tell yourself that you can't do something and you don't have capacities or you don't have possibility to end entities, just remind yourself that 3 billion people are at risk globally. 1.6 billion people are already suffering from those diseases, at least one neglected tropical disease globally. And there is always death. There will be death if those people are don't treated annually. And that's why I ask people, and I am calling all of you to engage yourself. It's really, really important. Like you have engaged yourself to end COVID-19, to fight for the end of COVID-19. We have also to fight for neglected tropical disease. And I want to finish with that sentence: Africa must unite in order to realize its renaissance. Present generation are confident that destiny of Africa is in their hands and that they must act now to shape the future they want. So I call everyone to fight for it, because we have to build the Africa we want without neglected tropical disease. Thank you.